Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change lock screen in Windows 11. If you want, for example, change the lock screen picture, you can click right mouse button icon of a start and you need to go to settings. Then from the left panel we need to select personalization settings, and now we need to scroll down and find here something like lock screen images, apps and animations. We need to open this option, and here first option is personalize your lock screen. On default it is set to Windows Spotlight, so if you want to set here picture, you need to click on this one list, and after that you can select here picture or slideshow, everything depends on your preferences. I select here picture, and here we have a list of available images which you can use in lock screen. Of course you can click on them to change it, or you can click browse photos, and then you can select one from your photos or images. For example, I select this image and I click choose picture. Then it will be set to lock screen. But if you want to set here the slideshow, you need to change this mode from picture to slideshow. And here you need to include an album for your slideshow. On default it is set to pictures folder, so you can include them the pictures which you want to use. So in this way you can change your lock screen settings in Windows 11. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not a problem.